Sean here, back with another episode of Coach's Commute, and today we're talking reward programs or loyalty programs. Almost every hotel that you stay at is going to have some type of reward or loyalty program where you can accumulate points. And this is going to be true for all of the major brands. Maybe if an independent hotel or something that you end up staying at may not have this, but we're talking, those major brands, the ones that you're mostly going to end up staying at. A lot of times we talk to coaches or parents and we ask, what are your rewards numbers, things like that, and they don't have one. And this is crazy. Buying into these, or not buying into them, signing up for them doesn't cost you anything. And you're traveling to these hotels anyways, so you might as well collect points. Now, there are some circumstances where a hotel isn't able to offer points. We're already getting a discounted group rate, so some hotels may not offer the points and the rate on all of the rooms. Some do, some don't, but it doesn't hurt to sign up and put the number down and ask for them. The reason being is that we're going to accumulate points, and this can be used for, whether it's upgrades at the hotel, priority check-in, quick checkout, maybe some free snacks or drinks when you check in, but maybe free stays down the road. So this is especially helpful for maybe a college coach who's going to be doing some recruiting and they're traveling on their own, or maybe just two coaches sharing one room. And now, because we've stayed at a certain brand throughout the year or over the last couple of years, we've accumulated enough points to have a free stay. Right, so these are just little perks that the hotels are going to offer to get you to stay with them and really get you to reward your business and make you a little bit loyal to their brand. We can talk specific brand loyalty programs and how that can work for each of the major brands down the road. But our best advice right here: sign up for every hotel loyalty program you can, and we'll just start attaching them to your reservations. Thanks a lot, guys. I really appreciate you listening, and we'll talk to you again soon.